Okay, so this may be one of the fastest videos for you guys, but I thought it was probably an important one for those of us that have little computer desks around and just want our desk to be maybe a little more organized, but if you're like me, just have cables in reach, because I have cables, you guys may not be able to see one over here, and I use this on occasion, you know, just to plug certain things in that need quick charging, because it's plugged into a power bar down here, and cables just fall off the table. Gravity, right? Gravity. So we're taking a look at this little fella here, this guy right here from SyncWire. It's a mini cable clip holders 5-pack. Yeah, 5-pack comes in at like 15 bucks Canadian. For those of you not in Canada, probably cheaper. Yeah, so we're gonna take a look at that right now. So 5,000 ratings right now, giving it a 4-star. So if we click on these, they don't stay stuck. Well, you know what? That one, it's hard to argue with because it really depends on what you're sticking it to. So this is not my first set of these, just so you guys know. We've had some of these before, but I wanted to show you these ones because I had them on a different desk, which I no longer have. And I will say that if you have to unstick them, which I had to do, they're not going to stick back again. At least not probably at that level. But for me, rip off, will return. What? They were 5 of each size. So someone who can't read instructions, I guess, is what you're saying, because it literally shows the different sizes right there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You know, I always find it funny when people complain because they can't read their own instructions or descriptions on a website. Oh well, I like them. I'm showing them to you today. Here we are. This is it. This is what the package come with. And you can even see on the back here, it shows, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So depending on your needs. And this is actually good for me because I don't want anything more than what I need. And at $15, it's not horrible. It's not a horrible price. You do get a little manual, which is a little hard to read. So many of you that maybe come around here have noticed that I'm always talking about font size. I went, why does this keep beeping? Turn on my do not disturb here. So that goes all over everywhere. Yep. But anyway, I went to the eye doctor yesterday. Yeah. Looks like I may need some glasses. Yeah. I'm getting to that age, I guess. Anyways, this is them. This is the package that you get right here. This is the 5, right? One that holds 5, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1, depending on what your needs are. So for me, I'm actually going to use the 4 and maybe the, let's go with just a 1, 4 and a 1 over here, I think. And they are like a nice little rubbery. You can see that they're bendable, you know, very useful for stuff like that. Be able to put your cables in. And be aware if you have really thick cables, and I'm not 100% sure. I have something here, right here. This one is not that one. That's not the one I wanted. Wrong one. This cable, I don't know if you guys can see it. It's probably one of the thickest cables I have right there. So if this fits, then we should be rocking and rolling. So let's take a look. These simply 3M tape on the back, and they're gonna stick on the table. Now I don't know if you guys will be able to see this, but I got a bunch of stuff here. I'm just gonna move it down. And right now I've got 3 cables across the back here, but on occasion, that's 3 chargers. Maybe I should go more. I'm thinking, maybe I should go more. This is still beeping. Why? I have do not disturb turned on. Why are you? Maybe we'll try it again. Hopefully we'll see. Anyways, 3 gives me 1 extra one. No, I'm going with the 5er. I'm going with the 5er, and because I'm a little scared, we're going with 5 and 2. That's what we're doing, 5 and 2. So simply, these, like I said, 3M tape on the bottom, okay, and on stick, and I'm gonna put that Now, what I would do, this is, hopefully you guys may be able to see it on the camera, over here, this camera. You don't want to stick it like right on the edge, because a cable, right, if you look at like even this cable, it's got its natural bend. If you bend it close to this part, it wants to straighten. So it's going to put a lot of pressure on this and could possibly pull the sticky out. So you want to have it down further. So for this one, for instance, if I look at that, I'm going to say right around there, and I'm just going to kind of stick it so that'll fit. My guess would be in that area, and that's it. Voila, sticky. We're good. And then that means this cable could fit right there. That works well. That's not falling anywhere. And really what you should be doing, this is with most sticky stuff, you should give it 24 to 48 hours for the glue to adhere properly. So a lot of people stick it, they're like, yeah, I feel a stick, put extra pressure on it, and then they unstick it, or they put stuff on it, and then of course it falls off. So that's not gonna work. And this one here, actually I'm gonna move this one to the center. That's good. And then this one here, it's just really so it doesn't fall, and it has access. Does it fit? Yes, it does. Very nice. And same with this. I'm just gonna put it kind of right there. There's my 3. That's like a rock star. Yeah. And really, I don't even care for it to be in this when the cables are plugged into something, because when they're plugged into something, they're not falling anywhere. But when I'm done with the cable, I can stick it in that, and it just sits there nice, which is excellent. And I'm gonna have the little 2, because I do on occasion have stuff over here on the side. So I'm gonna stick that one right there, because there's a little cable. Yeah. You know what? 15 bucks gives you 5 different sizes. I think it's worthwhile. I think it's a great little add-on to your desk. Now, I don't know if they have different colors. This one came in like it's a gray. I would like to see them have like maybe a white, a gray, and a black, because if I could have got these in black, then they would kind of almost like hide themselves into the table, right? But other than that, solid win. I like them. And that's it. So links down below if you're looking at a pair of, or set of, or a bunch of cable clip holders, little cable managers, 5-pack. Yeah, SyncWire. I like. All right, guys, links down below if you're interested. Like, comment, share, subscribe, hit the little notification bell, and we will see you fine folks in tomorrow's video. Later, my friends.